Mattioli has been the leading applicator within the protective coating industry for the last 40 years. Water and wastewater has been core to our business over the last few decades. What we're going to show you is a few examples of how we support our customers across Australia. Today we're here at Melbourne Water, Notting Hill, applying a boot seal solution to the outside of the tank. The reason we're doing this is to stop water getting in between the concrete plinth and the steel tank itself.
In this particular case, surface prep involved high pressure water blasting, then we abrasive blasted the steel and the concrete. Stage 2, essentially in this system, is application of 500 microns glue coating on the flat plate of the steel and also in the concrete. This is in preparation as your lock-in system for stage 3, the application of the geotextile fabric. And it's important to note that the center part has no coating underneath. So the glue coat is very important to be only in the flat of the steel and to the concrete. Very important to keep that center part free and clean. Essentially, that is what gives it the bridging capacity and allows for any potential movement of the tank. Stage 4 is your second last application of the system, which involves 2000 microns or 2 millimeters over the whole system, ensuring that all of the geotextile fabric is totally covered and no fibers are to be exposed. Otherwise, you have potential for wicking in or absorbing of moisture into the system. So after we've applied our 2000 microns, it's very important to capture your recoat window. You've got 4 hours, and we apply just a neat coat of a polyurethane to complete the system.
So we're currently out here at the moment out in the eastern suburbs doing a project of a full refurbishment of a water tank. So we've completed our full wash down using 20,000 psi of water of the full external of the tank, and now we're up to the stage of completing our spot blasting to the required areas. So once that's all complete, we'll then apply our first coat of zinc. Our second coat will be our epoxy over the top of that zinc, and our final coat will be the polysiloxane.